Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making beef rib using a pressure cooker, and we are making a delicious soup today. It's simple to make and easy to do. Just follow along and let's begin making it. So what I did was I took my beef rib out in my fridge and I used one large onion and two tomatoes, and I washed the thing. And when it's done watching, I start cutting the onion to it and tomatoes, and that is what I did. So you've been wondering why I haven't posted in a month. I've been having live thing going on, so live happen, and that's what it is. But hopefully we will try to post at least 2 times a month. That hopefully should do from now on. And thank you for standing by. Thank you for supporting the channel even when I wasn't. And you're new to the channel, whether you're my new subscriber, and let's dive into cooking. Joining us. And you are my subscriber. Thank you for being patient and waiting for this long. I appreciate your time and contribution to the channel. Thank you so much for being a part of the channel, and thank you to all of you. So this rib, I got them from Costco. They're so good. So what I decided to do, I decided to white them and using the pressure cooker to make it more easy to make, so I can focus on making other thing on the background. Like I say, I've been busy with live lately. There's so much going on need to be done, and this is easy for me doing it in this way, and it can help others too, because maybe you know and you hadn't think about that. So now the idea is here, just your pressure cooker can make your beef rib too, and it's delicious and amazing. And I cook them so tender, so juicy, so amazing. So what you need to do is just wash them with salt, so it's washed properly. And when you're done washing them, transfer them to your pressure cooker pot before you take it in there. And I was like doing it, I was done doing that. So what I did, I decided what I was using so I can move on and do other things. And I wanted to keep that area clean enough so I can be able to focus doing other things, because like I say, I'm a kind of person that will like to keep everything in order no matter what. So me doing that could help me do other things too. So as I wait that one, I'm gonna add some water inside the pot, about liter, about like 2 liter actually. That should do. But if you are afraid to your water will be a lot, you could just use to your maximum of your pressure. So your pressure have a maximum there, what you can hold pressure, and what you can. You gotta be checking the maximum what you can use inside, like water and anything, so you don't overfill it, and it can cause a problem too. And I know all of us know how to use it, but sometimes maybe what you're making is too much and you just want to get it fit there. But it's better to just not cook it all, better to just be safe. So what I did, I'm gonna fill it now with water, and then my ingredient, they were not that much, was just only one large onion, and then 2 tomatoes, and I'm gonna slide them in there. We are not frying anything, we are making it like a normal way of Sudanese doing something called saliga. So you cut them, slide them like that until they finish. When they do finish, you're gonna add your tomatoes so they can cook better together. But if you want to fill your tomatoes, that will be a good idea actually. But you like it like that, you want to ease way out, you can just cut them tiny like that and add them together and just add your seasoning. For me, I like different kind of seasoning, but you can choose your best seasoning to seasoning your meal, because people have different like of seasoning. What I like might not what you like, but by putting your seasoning, your choice seasoning, you might like it better. And I can promise you, these are the best I ever had in a while now. because I hadn't been making a soup lately. I've been making other things. But this soup, oh my, they were so good. I let them cook in the fresher for 30 minutes and then I saute brown them for like 30 minutes to reduce the water or reduce the soup because the soup was a lot. Like I said, the fresher doesn't use a lot of water. But if you want some water gone, you can use saute brown and it can just help you get rid of the excess water or soup you don't want. And these are the seasoning I'm adding to make it more delicious. And like I say, everyone have different liking of seasoning. But if you like this particular, you can just check the name there and you can just grab them because I show you the back of them and it should just be fine. So what I will do, I'll put it in the pressure cooker itself, the pot, and then I'm gonna cover it and trying to make it more secure properly so it doesn't burn anyone or that's nothing before I start it. And like I'm starting it now, it's gonna cook about 30 minutes. So what I realized, I didn't put that like that. So now I'm bringing it out to let the hair go outside because it is been cooking and it's already done. Like I say, 30 minutes just pass by like it's nothing, especially when you are busy. And that's why I love this so much because you can just put whatever in there. It can cook anything, beans, rice, anything. You set it up and you can go and just chill somewhere or maybe just run to the store quickly. When you come back, you will find it in warm and nicely. And that's what I like about it. But I realized the soup were a lot. So I decided to put it in saute brown so it can cook for a while. But I did taste and I feel like I'm not feeling the taste properly. So I decided to add more uh, chicken, more Maggi, I don't know. That's how I see it. Like I decided to add salt again to give it that boost so I can taste the way I want. Because I want it not too salty, but I want it good. So now I will leave it for saute brown for a while to cook. So I'll come and check in a couple so I see how the water is going. So when it's reached to my liking, I will just stop it and just serve it. Like now, I can see it's getting where I want it. So I think I might turn it off because now it's like how I want it. And just let it cool a little bit and then I will taste them. Now I'm serving myself. So I will taste them and let you guys know how they taste. And it should be good. You can see the meat is literally almost falling out inside that bones. And that is beef rib, full rich in flavor and so delicious. I love the taste and I love the soup and I love the meat. The meat was so tender and delicious. I'm gonna have it with the mashed potatoes. But if you want to see that video, you can just like this video and I'll see you next.